it's an exceptionally special evening for most of us cinema lovers, more importantly for us at AA Films and Dharma Productions. This collaboration means the world to me because I'm collaborating with a filmmaker whose work I have not only studied and observed, but adored and loved and applauded on several occasions. His vision, his epic vision, his magnitude, his opulence, his scale, but more importantly, his utmost humility with the way he has presented his work on celluloid is jaw-dropping and really something that I think every filmmaker in the world should emulate.
It's a very proud moment for us to bring this world of Bahubali to you. And to do that, we needed a visionary who can present this world to you. And I must thank Mr. Karanji for coming on board to present Bahubali to you in the right manner, which is supposed to be done. I think I forgot many of the words that I rehearsed, but but thank you very much.
How much time did it really took to conceptualize and to write down, and then Karan sir said that it was 380 days of shoot, but even before that, how many total months, amount of year it took for Bahubali to come on screen?
Surprisingly, the story part took, we finished it quite quickly. 2.5 months to 3 months, we had the whole script on our hands. But from then onwards, doing the concept sketches, doing the pre-visualization work, setting up the locations, building the sets. It took the whole 2.5 years because we were continuously doing. We took almost 1 year for the pre-production, but even after the shooting started, we kept on doing. In fact, the concept artists who started at the beginning of the film, even after the shooting is over 3 months back, they are still in our office working on the visual effects look and feel of the film.
प्रभास, आपसे सवाल है कि जिस तरह का सिनेमा आप कर रहे थे, बहुत ही मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा था, और वो सब छोड़ के आपने एक फिल्म में पूरी जान लगा दी. स्क्रिप्ट इतनी कन्विक्शन के साथ राजमौली सर लेके आए थे या आप करना चाहते थे राजमौली के साथ काम?
Yeah, I wanted to work with Rajmouli. I already did 10 years before film called Chhatrapati. And 6 years before he told me about, like, I'm going to do a very big film with you. 4 years before, 3.5 years before, he said, we're doing this script called Bahubali. And I'm so excited. And he told me, like, it'll take a lot of time. And you know, this is once in a lifetime film. You can't get it again. And I'm lucky to be part of this film and I want to do it. Thank you.
आपके सामने ऑलरेडी प्रभास थे, तो किस तरीके की तैयारियां आपने खुद के भीतर की, क्योंकि पोस्टर में हम देख सकते हैं कि एक तरफ वो खड़े हैं, एक तरफ आप खड़े हैं, तो बॉडी शॉडी किस तरीके से आपने प्लान किया पूरा?
I think that's the firstly good evening. I think that's the reason Rajmouli called and picked me for this film. And what you see right now is actually a shrunken down version of me. I was 25 kilos heavier than this. And yes, and that prep went on for about 6 or 8 months, even before we started the film. And yeah, so it was rigorous training, lots of martial arts and all of that. And a special credit to a man called Peter Haynes, who did the action of the film. He got a bunch of Vietnamese trainers for both of us, who were living with us for 3 months, didn't speak our language, but just used to whack us and get us up and running.
This is my second movie with Rajmouli sir, and as he said, when we saw, after, of course, working with him in a second movie is again a dream come true. And I didn't realize when I signed in for the movie, and I remember the first day when we went on set and stood there after listening to the script and listening to how big it was. Never realized how big it was till we stood on that set. We just were lost, you know, in terms of, now what do we speak, what do we say? Everything was so big. And then he's always been there to guide us and take us through it. So it's been an amazing journey. And again, I'm someone who always believed in fairy tales and things which are larger than life. And today, I've just seen the trailer. So again, I feel it's a shock to see stories that you read of and what you see as kids and as you're growing up in theaters, to be a part of something like that, and I'm actually looking forward to watch it myself.
Honestly, I couldn't even dream that I'm going to be working with Rajamouli sir. And when I came onto the film, they had already finished about 150 days of shooting. And when I went on, when I actually had gone to the set in RFC just to meet Rana and Sweetie, Anushka. So I just gone to say hello to my friends, and I met Shobhu sir there. And a few days later, I got signed on to Bahubali. For me, working with Rajamouli sir is a very special very special experience. Not only because he's this amazing filmmaker who makes these big films and makes these amazing films, but the humble person he is, and how easy he makes it for his actors to work with him. He actually makes the most difficult to shoot scenes and yet makes it so simple, and it looks like as if it's so approachable and so easy to do. And I've never been inspired by somebody. I didn't want to ever become like someone. I thought I was good enough like myself. But after seeing Rajamouli sir, I want to be like him. Not only in the department of how he, in his professional life, but in his personal life. The way he balances off his family with his work. For me, it's really, really inspiring, and a lesson that I have learned while working on Bahubali.
I just have one question to both of you. 3 years you spent your time on Bahubali. And was it really a pressure on your head? Did at any point of time you felt that, oh God, can we continue like this for some more years? And was it possible, or somewhere you felt it was not possible?
Yeah, like maybe they shot with me in 380 or 50, I don't know. They shot with me more than nearly 300 days. After 250 days, I really got frustrated. Now I was like, Raj, I want to say, I didn't tell him, but I was like, Raj, now it's enough. We'll see, we'll watch the film. Whatever it's done, just show it.
Well, the first time he told me the story, and I knew I had to give a large part of time, and I was not the hero of the film also. But then one thing I knew is this is the largest thing in cinema that I'd ever be part of, and I didn't know if anyone will ever make a film like this again. So which is why every day was a pleasure.